good day and welcome to another exciting episode of Everything and Anything Else on Fubu TV. With me in the studio today, I have a mass communication student. He's a Nigerian. He makes skits, Instagram skits, the funny ones you watch. He plays football. He's a very, very good footballer. But finally, after all the Israelite waka, he has found his calling. He's decided to be a rapper and he's a very talented one at that. In the studio, welcome with me, Layeni Olawumi. What's up? How you doing?
Man, I'm very fine. Man.
Yeah, you're looking fine. You're looking like, say, oh yeah, I gotta come. I'm set for you.
Easy.
Okay, but I noticed something. When I was about saying out your name, it started with Layeni, then it ended with Olawumi. Is that not supposed to be a girl's name?
Yeah, it is actually. And there's a story behind it, honestly.
What's the story?
The thing is, when they gave birth to me, my granddad, he was at home, not at the hospital. So they like called like, what's it, Bimo? Immediately he saw me, like, he was just carried as, Olawumi. Like, they said he named me after, like, one of his friends, like his best friend.
Best
female,
friend
yeah,
female.
Yeah.
They didn't see like remove the pampers to check if you had
I don't know.
male genital.
Maybe I'll go and ask Momsi when I get home or something. But then the stuff stuck.
Okay, so everyone just kept on calling you a female name. Do you like it?
Come on. It's good now.
Okay, so the main business.
Yeah.
You've played football, you've dabbled in skit making, you've graduated as a mass communication student at the university, and now you're rapping.
Yeah.
Like, why rapping out of every other thing you could have picked?
I think it's like football. We all know football as an exercise, the physical exercise, yeah?
Okay.
Rapping is like an exercise, but mentally. Because you have to be very good with words to be a very versatile rapper.
But then you were so good at football too. This is what I heard from people who know you well. You were so good at football too. There were scouts from Belgium who came to Nigeria.
Yeah, very true.
So you could have made it in the football market too, or how do I put it?
Yeah, it was when I had that passion for it too. But now I used to go to like a training. I train like 4 times a week. Then like back to back.
You were really serious about it.
Go to school, come back. I don't even do assignments. Just rush, carry my boots, rush to training.
So you not playing football wasn't about your dad refusing to allow you go to Belgium because he thought you were too young for that?
It was part. Because it was like I felt it was like the major breakthrough finally, because I've been playing this thing back to back, winning competitions with my team and all. Then a scout finally came. White man in my palo.
Say white man in my palo.
I don't understand. Popsi now told him that this guy is too young, he's still in SS2. So it was like my dream shattered in front of me, because I was seeing, look back, let me go and play this thing now. Like everybody in my area knows I play football, for crying out loud. But he had his plans, depths, and it paid off. I think I'm good like this.
Most children at that particular age or in that particular level, which is SS2, would probably have just refused to listen to their parents and do what they want either way. So why
did not born me well. They did not born me well.
You had the typical African parents, yeah?
Yeah, although it's not going to flog me, I know, but then after everything, it will still put some things to your head. He said education was important. Me, I didn't see the importance then.
Okay.
I've not still seen it though, but I just felt it was looking out for me on different levels, not just educationally.
Okay.
Because
I guess you wanted you to be prepared for anything life throws at you.
Yeah. Because if I had gone, Lord knows what would have happened. I might have been better than I am.
Does he know you rap?
Yeah, he does.
He does know you rap?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so for someone who didn't let you go to Belgium to play football, how did he react to the news that you're not a rapper?
I was shocked also, because when I started, we used to rap to cassettes. All those
all those ones you get to spin.
Rap, then loop it over, then listen to ourselves like, you try, try. So when I was featured on a song of one of my guys, everybody was listening to it, but I was scared to take it home, because I was like, waiting this man would talk again. No, my brother had already listened to it, he felt it, people were feeling it. But 1 December like that, people just came, I'm in calling. That there's nothing you do about it. This guy is singing. When he heard the song, he was this is a good song. All the shows.
That was his first reaction. Like your rap track was a good one.
Yeah, like good song. That was the first feature I did.
What class were you in at that particular point where your dad listened to that song and said it was a good one?
It was still in SS2, going to SS3.
Okay. So was that where you started music?
No, I had been doing low-key, but when he finally heard, I was surprised. He even let me go to show overnight. Someone that would not let me go out, like they would overlook ball. I mean, you want to go and watch ball or something. There's a party, you go. Why? So he let me go to shows overnight that period.
So that's how much belief.
Yeah, so he was just supporting. Yeah, like 3 or 4 of my other singles that I did later, he paid for the studio session. It was crazy. It was the maximum support. It was very, yeah.
I guess that's not for everyone, because I know some people whose parents would frown at the idea that they want to become musicians. Because basically, at a point in Nigeria, everybody wanted to play football. Because, we had the Kuchas and the Kanos making waves. And then everybody wanted to be a comedian. Because AY came and, just blew the whole thing up.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah. Then later, everybody wanted to sing because Wizkid came. I'm not saying Wizkid started the whole thing, but then that's what made it.
It was more of that green too.
Okay, so Dagreen was. Would you say that Dagreen was your inspiration?
Yes, partly. And I would say there's one of my friends, Taiwo Ahmed. Okay. We used to play, after we play football, there was one game house that we just go and hide and play Crash or FIFA or something. So when we go there, the guy that owns the game shop plays Dagreen, Wande Cole and all those stuff. There was a day I now went, I didn't hear Dagreen, Wande Cole and Nice that day. I was hearing one song over and over. Like, Talo Konyele, Jaka Gba Wande Cole ni. Now I say, it's that guy that is playing Crash that sang the song. So on my mind was, this one sing. How? Like, say na so you take easy to say sing. So I was like, the stuff just stayed in my head. Like, man, I started respecting that guy because I felt he put a lot of effort to make that shit happen. Yeah, to make it happen. So I was now like, bro, how much did you collect in studio? Like, how much did you go? I want to be like you. And Lord had it so good. The guy was very, very free with me. He just took me to some places, talked to me, but he has stopped music now.
Oh, and you're the one that's still doing it. Is he still supporting you?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, all right. So I learned your dad is late. Sorry to hear about that.
But then, this year.
Oh, this year? You didn't invite me for the rice now.
We didn't do anything, COVID.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, so your dad is late now, but your mom is still here.
Yeah.
What was your mom's reaction to the music? Like, I know when your dad was alive, the whole support thing was there, the support system was strong. Is it the same thing for your mom?
Yeah, she also supported. She didn't have a choice. She had to support.
So was it because did she support you because she didn't have a choice, or she supported you because she believed in it?
Well, there's one thing, like, if people are already loving it, it's good. So the stuff that she hears from outside, because she's that kind office go and come back type of person. So when she comes back and I'm on eating curry, she now finally got to hear it. You see her dancing self to it. Now I'll not be like, are you dancing because it's me? I mean, you like the song. I don't get. How can you be dancing to rap?
You did this, your mama.
But then it was all love, dude.
Okay.
But the one I just dropped, she sings it like every time.
Okay. Which is the
Bye Bye to Poverty.
Yeah. What was the first rap, not rap song you released, but your first attempt at rapping? What was it?
Yeah, that was the first one I did actually. It was Spend My Dollar, I guess.
Spend My Dollar.
I was featured on it.
If you listen to that song now, what would be your own assessment of your verse on that song?
It was good. I still remember my verse. Honestly, I remember.
Till now, you remember it till now?
Every.
Wow. Okay, you've been in the music industry now, let's say as an up-and-coming artist, yeah?
Yeah.
For like almost how many years?
10.
Almost 10 years. Wow.
But
you must have had like a whole boatload of experience, good and bad, falling off speakers, being thrown pure waters and things like that.
Luckily, they've not stoned me anything. Maybe I've not gone to the shows that
I heard this
Better people I just see so far.
Okay, but basically, what's the craziest experience you've had, performing on stage and all that?
Man, I think it happened 2 years ago. Was this one big event like that, Sha, that happened around maybe Abeson Estate.
Okay.
So, based on, I'm like the rave of my estate.
Yeah, the star boy in your estate.
Yeah, so people now.
So
just
after the show, you're going to give me like an autograph or something. I'm guessing it will cost a lot, in years to come.
Yeah, so people were like, I talked to this guy now. This bro used to stay in our estate. So like, talk to him. He might give you some stuff. So I got his number, called him, messaged him too on Instagram. He replied that okay, come, but make sure you come early.
Okay.
I was there as early as 10 a.m. The show was to start at night.
And you were there at
as early as 10 a.m. So when I got there, I was seeing the person.
Yeah.
I went to meet him like, boss, man, I'm around very, very early, safe. Like, it was like, we were like 5 in the whole field. My friends and the boss. So it was like, okay, now, make una just chill. We chilled like 7 hours later. We're calling him. We're still calling him like, we are now waiting. If we know we're not going to perform amidst the celebs and all, but let us even know where to stay.
Okay.
If we're going to sit down somewhere, just tell them that we're with you or something. This bro's bonus, like, he got to a stage that we started seeing bouncers soaking cane inside water or something, and people were looking around like, I really only lost it. Like, we're not going to go. So we were checking time. Once it was around,
eventually did not perform on that.
I didn't perform.
Even though you got there like really early.
I didn't perform as well. I didn't even perform. He didn't look at my side again.
Okay, you seem like someone who's stylish and is swaggish and all that. Is that what you think of yourself? Like you're stylish, you're swaggish?
Not really. I'm that type of person. I'll just pick something and wear.
Would you say you've had the sense of style since you were like little?
Yeah.
You would say so. Okay, there's this picture of him I found on his Facebook page. I think it was like maybe like 3 years or 4 years old then. He had his hand like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, where did all that swagger come from?
My mom.
Yeah, well. Okay, like, growing up, you would think you would outgrow some character or some postures like that. But then, along the line, you took another picture and you're like 16, 18 years old and your hand was still like that. Can we have that one, please?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Another picture of your hand. What's happening?
The thing is, I did it on purpose because when I saw the picture, the baby picture,
yeah.
I wanted to recreate it.
Okay.
Like the same posture and stuff. So I did and cropped it together. I merged it rather. I merged it together.
So it was like you're trying to do a throwback from a new picture.
Yeah.
It's not like you're stationed to be like this in all pictures.
No.
So you can take pictures without putting your hand like this is what you're saying.
Yeah, no.
I'm just trying to clarify. Because I have another picture of you that you were like this again.
Serious?
No, I'm just saying, but we're not going to bring that up right now. We do have to go on a break. Let's go on a break with a song titled Yoruba Montana. And that song was, released by Smallz himself. Let's have that one, please.
Good school logic music, baby.
Shout out to Slow Mo, Lapsy and JR. Shout out to Wizkid, be on the paper. Anything we do, they go debate them. Bad energy, make una stay far. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. I be getting money since like 17. Bro, say never look back, man, go get everything. Keep all that colors, I'm all about the green. I'm married to the money, man, I got the picture where the ring. Emiti wale ko de seni to let me butter. I'm passing all the girls, women and somebody daughter. I got so many girls, I know Sabi my main chick. Cause anywhere we day, we dey chop life and it's amazing. The only ex I know, they for ABC. I've been with many girls, but I'm still fucking with ABC. I've got too many girls on my WhatsApp. The way people they change, so if you go think say na ABC. Anything where I speak, man, you guys feel. Cause even though JB no say my jazz, girls love me, I'm getting laid every day. You they do salary work, I'm getting paid every day. Watch that. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. 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 I know they for freezer, but I dey steady chill. I get high for no reason like your NEPA bill. I'm not just doing this for the fun of it. When I say give me money, give me all, don't give me some of it. Life is a teacher, but most people know they come class. When I go blow it, go past daddy, catch up on blast. Many people come, they meet me, say, Ola, make you show me the way. I be like, guy, you be compass. I don't care, tell them, make us go die. I don't give a fuck, but me, I dey steady blow die. Solid shit for my life to fertilizer. Big money coming, this one I just appetizer. Emi ti wale ko there's any to lay me butter. I'm passing all the girls, women and somebody daughter. I got so many girls, I know sabi my main chick. Cause anywhere we dey, we dey chop life and it's amazing. Now they be asking who be this kid. Starboy, the rap version of wizkid. Money big, wallet that be dictionary. Doggy boy, me a missionary. I speak shit like my mouth is a sucker way. You waiting on the boy, again swerve, get the fuck away. No show the front paw, show my road down. Don't make time out over you, shame with your run down. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. 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 I be doing things only the best would. And my team stays bigger than Westwood. I don't take me come me jet, I don't take me rush me. Let it pick me love, see what life could they budge me. I be king go, but I don't get that thing. And my girls wife like say they be halfing. I hear say laughter not the best drug. If money talks, tell me why won't I be laughing? Every single day, man, I be killing shit. Shorty grind, make my means hard like it's killing shit. I dey punch sham and I know they spend dime. I suppose they call shots, but I don't get airtime. Emi ti wale ko there's any to lay me butter. I'm passing all the girls, women and somebody daughter. I got so many girls, I know sabi my main chick. Cause anywhere we dey, we dey chop life and it's amazing. Boy sharp with the flow, but boy in there in my gate. I be blowing all your bitches like the candles on the cake. I dey ball like Oba Femi Martins. Good boy, but now street teach me bad things. Feeling like John Cena, there is nothing you can see, bruh. Black and white world, I been living like a zebra. I slow mo, we slow mo, and JR got a billionaire ambition all about the paper. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. 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 Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba.
That music video you just saw now is named Friend Yoruba Montana, and it was sung by Ola Smallz himself. I actually like that song. That's like one of my favorite of all your songs that I've listened to. Seriously, you released a new track titled Bye Bye to Poverty.
Yeah.
And I still like Yoruba Montana much more than that one. Seriously. Like, I could tell there's a transition between you being a full-fledged rapper and then you trying to sing rap.
Yeah, I feel people feel that commercial vibe better because it's what's in the market now. People say for you to be there, you have to do like them. So yeah.
But what inspired that particular song? You know, like Yoruba Montana. Why Yoruba Montana? What does it mean? What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's like I'm trying to show off who I am. I'm a Yoruba boy, and we know Montana like the
French Montana.
No, not French Montana. The Montana, the drug Tony Montana.
Oh,
so it's like a dope Yoruba boy.
okay.
The Montana
So
there
it's
is like dope.
Play a word.
Yeah, the Montana is like saying
You couldn't just give us a track that's like straight to the point.
no.
Why I want this
Because
song fast? Because I want to
nothing is straight to the point when it comes to rap.
Okay.
You have to it's either a play on words, metaphor or something. So you have to.
How good are you when it comes to playing a word, metaphors and all that?
I'm not really good. I'm learning. I'm still learning. Yeah.
After 10 years. But if I did put you on the spot right now and asked you to freestyle, would you kill it?
I might not kill it.
Why would you kill it?
I'll do very good.
Okay, I don't want it to seem unfair.
Yeah.
So I'm not just going to tell you to freestyle.
Okay.
I'm going to freestyle.
Yeah.
I'm no good, but then I'll freestyle. And then you're going to freestyle after I freestyle.
That's fair.
Hopefully, I'll whip you. Of which I'm very sure I'm going to whip him. Okay, so this is me trying to read off, because I'm not a rapper. Okay, so basically, past that.
Yeah.
You can't stand me. You couldn't stand me. Maybe when I'm under the ground, I kind of bow to you. Now maybe Jimmy hands and I be flexing, but I don't do vaccine, I don't turn virus, and now need a vaccine. Don't stress me. Even with the doctor, no. I've tried. I don't have to ask all 2 over 10. Okay, so give me yours, let me see what's like.
Yeah. Ori mi spin juri share DJ Khalid lo.
Rah,
Also me there Rio to Madrid lo.
rah.
Now where the money don't they enter, even my babe popsy don't they pray to be my in-law. I feel sing like carry wife, give me pay.
Okay.
I dey always carry coke, I be like Jimmy K. Yoruba Montana, this one no be French, oh. Bad guy, you know people me for friend zone. Mom said, Dola, go back to classes, but I did for strip clubs. I be tapping nurses, met a girl in zone A. I took her to zone B. When I had her working like a zombie, she dey follow me, like say she be my disciple. I dey make her wet, like person wey fall inside pool. I don't mind if she's gonna give me apple. She can't kill me, I can't die, you're Deadpool. One reason mi look at money mama rabens, one is daddy mi look at. Nígbà tí mo wọ lásù, one ìwé mélòó gan look at. Ó yà wọ́n lẹ́nu torí bàtà mi dún kókó ká. Ẹni tẹ́bí bá ń pa, kó máa bọ̀ tó bá lè jẹ̀gbà tí, cause everywhere is still. Ṣé ẹ wá ní kó lọ tẹ̀ bá sí? It's crazy.
That was actually nice. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it that much, but that turned out really nice.
Yeah.
But perhaps nicer than I expected. But talking about things that are nice,
Yeah.
I have a question which turned out to be a gist for me. The question is from his close friend. Should I tell you who sent me this particular gist?
Wow. Tell me.
His name is Sultan Cool. So I wanted him to give me a juicy story about you, performance and all
I'm
that.
killing that guy.
Okay, so they sent me this story about him, where you were at an occasion, I think it's called Kusa Awards or something like that.
Yeah.
And you were supposed to perform on stage. You were on stage, you were jumping around and acting like you were singing, but your best friend was actually the one doing the rapping. What happened to you?
Before the awards, Sultan Sultan is mad. Because before the award, we were in the hostel. They bought drinks. Like, nah, award, nothing, no worries. Even a rap, now you go kill him. No worry, drink up. Yeah, they finished me in the hostel.
By the time you got to the...
One of our guys, Togude, we had to lock him inside the hostel because he couldn't stand. That was how crazy it was. And when we started the performance and all,
Yeah.
I was never hearing anything. I couldn't hear my lines.
But how did the audience there know you weren't the one rapping?
I was jumping.
You were
I was jumping happily. So I still heard someone say, my guy, Ola Smallz, my guy. I was like,
you were just jumping.
yeah, Sultan was just shouting Yoruba Montana in the back. I was like, yeah.
Okay, so I have another picture. This one was sent, I didn't get the name of the person who sent it, but then this one, it had a dark shade on. And the person wanted to ask you, could you please help me put that up? It had dark shades on. Yeah, and the person wanted to ask me,
all my friends.
is that you or Ray Charles? Because no, I'm wondering, can you see through that show glass?
Yeah.
You could see through that. What's that called? No, I'm just wondering.
I'm
This doesn't look
speechless.
like
Who brought
doesn't look like
this
a
out?
sunshade. I'm not going to tell you with that. Okay,
Then I was
that's
swagging with this.
yeah, swagging. Okay, you did your due. Judging from the fact that when you were little, you had your hand like this,
Yeah.
and when you grew up, you had. So I can understand why you had a show glass that painted in text coat paint on your face, looking like.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, you know what? So let's just leave all the music aside. Everyone can play Make Zack a Dope Boy, although we've been playing all along. So let's delve into some aspect of games. Playing some games on the show. So I'm going to give you 6 numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're supposed to pick 3 numbers.
3 numbers.
Now, for each number you pick, there is a dare
Wow.
for you to do. So from number 1 to number 6, pick a number and I'll tell you what's written there.
I'll choose 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, sweet in the middle.
It's not sweet. This isn't sweet. This is definitely not sweet. Number 3 says, allow Arewa text 3 people on your social media space. So this is the part where you hand me your phone, unlocked phone, so I can message 3 individuals. Now I'm wondering, I don't know who should I start with and what should I say to them.
I don't know. So
Okay.
just don't say
I think
too
I have a
much.
nice message to send to someone. I know what to send already. Just let me have your phone.
I'm coming.
Don't tell them anything. Bring the phone. Okay. In the city. Okay. So let me just start with. This person's name is Olumide.
Damn.
So to Olumide, I'm typing guy. Alpha. Send your Aza. Make I wire you. Davido just signed me. ASAP. Now I'm gonna wait for Olumide to reply to this message. But while I'm waiting for Olumide, let me text Ibili.
Yeah.
I'm hoping Ibili is not your girlfriend.
No, she's not.
Okay, because you just impregnated somebody. So to Ibili, I'm saying hi, babe. Please, I need your help. My girlfriend. I'm a devil.
You are.
My girlfriend just texted me that she's pregnant and I don't know how to tell my mom. What do you think I should do? By the way, Olumide is already calling. So I'm gonna pick the call and I'm gonna put it on speaker. Alpha guy. Hello, Alpha. Are your side now? Send your answer. Send your answer.
I don't understand the message.
Send your answer. Send your account number. If you don't just sign me, man bless you.
Put it up.
I said if you don't just sign me, send your account number, make I bless you.
I live in the mud.
Okay.
Namaste, bro.
Okay, he caught me. That was a nice one though. So while we're waiting for the third person, let's send a message to Udo Grace. This isn't your girlfriend, is it?
No.
Okay. Hi, babe. Do you have my mom's number? Because I need you. Because I need you to help me call her and beg her that I didn't mean to steal that meat. She kept in the pot. She has threatened to disown me. This disown is not difficult for me to spare. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for those two people to reply to the messages that I sent them on Ola Small's phone. While we're waiting for them, Ola Smallz, would you like to pick your second number?
Wow.
You already picked number 3, so you
Yeah.
have 2 to go.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5 says, say the alphabet backwards.
Shit.
You know alphabet now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, from the back.
Z.
You're too slow. You're too slow. You're a rapper. You're supposed to have energy.
Z. Y. X. W. V. T. U. S. R.
If you fail, I don't go no.
Y.
Okay, just pick the third one already.
It's hard.
The third number.
Okay. Number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1 says recite the national anthem. So national anthem, here we go.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey. to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and might. To do. Well, I'm trying.
All patriotic Nigerian citizen. You couldn't even successfully recite it. But you try, Sha. You reach the end, you come flop.
Yeah, I was.
You try. No, wala.
The situation of the country is making me think of God of creation because what the hell?
Okay, so you're currently being managed by the same manager who was managing Belashmoda, right? And you
Yeah.
guys still hang out, you all attended the same school, you're still friends. Are you,
Yes,
know,
we
looking
are.
to working together or anything like that?
Yeah, very soon we'll hit the studio and do some things together. Magic.
And I learned you're working on your EP, so should
Yeah,
we be
yeah.
expecting something from any other person aside Belashmoda who's definitely going to be on the EP?
Yeah, there's some Ibile rappers too.
By
That,
Bile, which person name that?
like Obadiah's.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so there are some people that I know that they are hard in the game too. So
Okay.
it's
So
going to be fun.
when should we be expecting the EP?
Before March?
Before match.
Yeah.
All right. That video you saw there once again, that's Yoruba Montana by Smallz, and it's going to be dropping an EP before match. He already dropped a single, yeah. I remember that one titled Bye Bye to Poverty.
Yeah.
So do go listen to that one. I do have to go on a short break. When I get back, you will be seeing Smallz stand here live and performing to you the video you've been watching since, but we just want to see him do it himself, like the man in flesh. So he's going to be performing Yoruba Montana. Let's go on that short break. We'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Still Football TV.
Shout out to Slow Mo, Labsy and JR. Slide out to wizkid, yeah. Be on the paper. Anything we do, they go debate them. Bad energy, make una stay far. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. I be getting money since like 17. Yeah, bro, say never look back, man, go get everything. Yeah, keep all the colors, I'm all about the green. I'm married to the money, man, I got the picture where the ring. Emiti wale ko de seni to let me butter. I'm passing all the girls, women and somebody daughter. I got so many girls, I know Sabi my main chick. Cause anywhere we day, we dey chop life and it's amazing. Yeah, the only ex I know, they for ABC. I've been with many girls, but I'm still fucking with ABC. Yeah, I've got too many girls on my WhatsApp. The way people they change, so if you go think say na ABC. Yeah, anything where I speak, man, you guys feel. Yeah, cause even though JB no say my jazz, girls love me, I'm getting laid every day. You they do salary work, I'm getting paid every day. What's that? Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. 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 I know they for freezer, but I dey steady chill. Yeah, I get high for no reason like your NEPA bill. Yeah, I'm not just doing this for the fun of it. When I say give me money, give me all, don't give me some of it. Yeah, life is a teacher, but most people know they come class. Yeah, when I go blow it, go past daddy, catch up on blast. Yeah, many people come, they meet me, say, Ola, make you show me the way. I be like, guy, you be compass. I don't care, tell them, make us go die. I don't give a fuck, but me, I dey steady blow die. Turn the shit for my life to fertilizer. Big money coming, this one I just appetizer. Emiti wale ko de seni to let me butter. I'm passing all the girls, women and somebody daughter. I got so many girls, I know Sabi my main chick. Cause anywhere we day, we dey chop life and it's amazing. Now they be asking who be this kid. Starboy, the rap version of wizkid. Money big, wallet that be dictionary. Doggy doggy boy, me a riot missionary. I speak shit like my mouth is a sucker way. You waiting on the boy, again swerve, get the fuck away. Olo show the front paw, show my road down. Don't make time out over you, shame with your run down. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana, Yoruba. Yoruba Montana, Yoruba Montana.
You can take today, like
I be
told
doing
you,
things
that
only
Jack
the
is
best
a hit.
would.
But then do go out there and get your copy of Bye Bye to Poverty that's released by Smallz. Until next week. Adios. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.